Cash TV, how y'all doing? So today I'm coming to you guys with a video on how I detox my armpits. That's right, you guys. I've been using bentonite clay on my hair for years and it never even occurred to me to use it on anything other than my face. So I forget who I saw, you guys, but I saw somebody talking about how, you know, it's a good idea to detox your armpits, and I was like, what? So I had it in my mind to go and pick up some bentonite clay, but the market that I live near didn't have any, but I found some at Walmart, you guys. So I went ahead and picked up the Sky Organics Indian Healing Clay. This is what it looks like. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'll put a picture. But right now I'm gonna jump into this tutorial. Let's go. First, the ingredients I'm gonna be using: the Indian Healing Clay by Sky Organics and the Bragg's apple cider vinegar. You'll also need on hand a small bowl and something you can stir it with that's not metal. Alright, the measurements I recommend for this particular detox, if you're just doing your underarms, is 1 spoonful of the bentonite clay and mix in like a capful or 2 of the apple cider vinegar. But as you guys can see, I'm using 4 spoonfuls of the bentonite clay. I'm gonna be detoxing other areas of my body, so I'm gonna be making slightly more. If it's still lumpy, you can just add water because the apple cider vinegar is intense, okay? You guys, I'm gonna keep stirring it until it reaches a smooth consistency. And then I'm going to go ahead and use the spoon to apply it to my underarms. Same thing on the other side. So now I'm just going to wait until this dries for about 20 minutes and then I'm going to go ahead and wash it all off. Now let me get into the story of my armpits, you guys. First of all, this whole part of the story is kind of embarrassing, but listen, I gotta share what's on my soul, okay? Because ever since I was young, you guys, I really had smelly armpits. That sounds so bad. No, you guys, no, I didn't have smelly armpits all the time, just certain situations. I would have smelly armpits when I was really stressed, and I mean stressed like if I had to speak in public or if I had to do assignment and I had to be up in front of the class. I would have smelly pits. That sounds so like, whatever, y'all. I would have like a stress response and it would cause my underarms to be kind of funky. So, and even you guys, it used to be so bad, like it would be so bad, whereas like even if, say I had a disagreement with somebody that I really cared about and we going back and forth, stress sweat. And stress sweat smells way worse than regular sweat. It's not like when you're working out at the gym. It's like, you know, it's like you could be just nervous, or you could be having anxiety, or you could have some intense emotions because you're having a disagreement. And that is what would happen, you guys. I would be in these situations and then all of a sudden my underarms would start perspiring, but like the stress sweat kind. And it would be so smelly, like, and y'all, I know that this has been the case for me because I literally could get out the shower, say if I see Makai, he about to do something crazy, he about to fall off the couch, I'm like, wait, and then right then and there I get a stress response and my armpits be like funky, even if I just washed up. So honestly, you guys, I always thought that this was just normal. Like, never once occurred to me that other people don't experience life like this. So needless to say, you guys, I've been having some struggles with my armpits and I never even knew that I needed to detox. So when I was about to do this detox, I didn't even think that like it was gonna be anything. Like, I mean, I didn't think it was gonna change my whole armpit life, you know what I mean? I used this clay for the first time yesterday. And afterwards, you know, regular stuff throughout the day would happen. Disagreements on the phone with my sisters, we talking about some intense topics. You know, dealing with Makai and him about to fall this and fall there and fall here. And you guys, I smelled my underarms and I didn't have no stress sweat. Like, I didn't smell bad, and I was like, what? All I had to do was use bentonite clay, which I've had for years, seriously. So you guys, I am so grateful that I did it. Y'all, I be smelling my underarms now like, I still smell good. I still smell normal. Yes! And that's starting to make me think, you guys, I need a detox in just all areas of my life. So maybe like even an internal detox. I've been doing castor oil. I can make another video on that if y'all want. But woo! That castor oil. Oh, that's gonna make you detox. And also like Marie Kondo, that's decluttering your space detox. But like nobody tell you that, you know, sometimes you get rid of too much stuff and then you only got like 5 shirts left, and then you like, oh wait, I need more clothes. But yes, you guys, so I'm so happy that it worked out for me. Give it a try if you've had problems with like stress sweat, the smelly kind of sweat, and hopefully this video helps you as it has helped me, my friends. I will update you guys. I'm gonna keep using it. I'm gonna update you guys, but y'all, I feel amazing. And all it took was a little armpit detox. Don't sleep on it. Don't sleep on it. All right, I'll see y'all in the next video. Much love. Peace.